Modified exhaust systems serve no purpose other than to create fear.
Oh my God!
Chaos. And intimidation.
It's warm in here.
You're welcome. Be hitting my switches, bro!
Fasten your seatbelts. Put your trays in their upright position.
With the old and with the new. I mean, they're not that bad. No, it's not so bad. Not gonna lie, I am gonna miss the hood vent look, but I'm not gonna miss the water intrusion. So, wife helped me swap them out. Got the new bush style hood pins. Oh, that's so much easier than struggling. They do like to pop like that, all silly, like you gotta reset them. You do that and then shit. It's 1.5 million degrees out. I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. So yeah, I think next on the chopping block is 7-round plugs so we can haul the camper and then test flight with the camper. Unfortunately, before I can worry about dealing with trailer wiring, I gotta cut my grass. I gotta cut my grass and move the camper.
Yeah. Roll down. Let's run it up. Yeah. Yeah. They said it wouldn't go past 50 down the line. It's just a no licking. You shouldn't even waste your time. But I got grease on my hands and fire in my veins. Built that panther till I run all of the pain. Screaming like it's ready to fight. 10-second run. They said it couldn't be done. 1092. Looks like that argument's won. A quarter mile rolling with that turbo scream. Hard work and dedication put us on the scene. Leather seats, wood grain, tinted glass. In Turbo Town, call your home gas and class.
Alright. It's time to see how this thing's gonna react to having her new Dragon Drive trailer attached. is, ladies and gents. I do believe I am going to switch that drop hitch out for one that's not as much of a drop. Try to get it sit a little more level. I have the one in the back of the Mustang, but that one's flipped, so I don't know, that might be too much. It honestly didn't take any more throttle input to make the car move. So I don't think this is going to be a problem at all. The real test is going to be how the aerodynamics of this whole unit work, because well, that Bontourage outdoor stickers needs to go, and I think a Badger built one needs to go there. There it is, in all of her glory. God, I cannot wait for August. Well, okay then. The Sea Bourbon. No fucking way. One quick trip to Hobo Freight. We got a straight receiver with a 2-inch ball, so we'll see what it looks like now. Bingo. So I need to wire a 7-round on the town car, but I don't have a trailer brake controller, so for now, I'm just gonna use this adapter that I made so we got lights. And then we can test pull this thing. Probably pull the plug out. That would be wise. Oh boy, here we go. We're going on a test drive with the camper.
Ouch.
What'd you do?
Pinch my finger.
Well, don't do that. Here we go. Let's see how this goes. To call you back now. I'm driving to the store. I love ya.
Love ya.
Bye.
Bye.
I also didn't check trailer lights. I plugged them in. Doesn't mean they're working. Well, I would call that a great success. It pulls pretty good, actually. We only got up to highway speed once, but I think it's safe to say it pulls better than the wind sail, even without having trailer brakes. It's really not that bad. Now I just need to get rid of the mountain stickers and the Bontourage outdoor stickers. Both front, back side. Get rid of all them. So that way we can get some Badgerbilt stickers on here. I would also be pretty sick to get the Sick Michigan Miles logo right there, but we'll see.
Nothing screams I'm a douchebag more than fixing your car up to make more noise than it's supposed to.